No.
I'm not talking to you. Shut
Hey,
up.
yeah. Okay. Do not stick it up my ass. I was telling you. No, don't tell me. No, you freaking dumb.
Ouch! You said do that? Well, not step directly on me. Sit back down. Unless you need something.
Everything is telling you. Stop!
I'll be back. Oh, what the frick?
One minute already. Finally, one person is back. And that's Ayla. Hey, Ayla. Is your name Ayla?
It's Leia.
Layla.
Leia.
Say hi to Leia, guys.
Oh!
What the freak is that?
No, come on.
What is that? It looks like go. Blueberry.
It's Hawaiian punch.
Hey, Hawaiian Punch.
Bruh. Stop acting goddamn stupid. Hey y'all, welcome back to my room. I know my room's messy, but
Hey, this is my chair. Get out.
boy, I'm trying to talk to my viewers.
Those are not your viewers.
Seriously, why are you drinking my drink? Stop.
Do you have more in your refrigerator?
Bye y'all, we're finna go pop fireworks.
Hey, no, I'm getting me a drink.
We gotta pop fireworks. Come on. Hurry up, Tracy.
I'm coming. Ooh, this is about to be insane. Alright guys, we're about to go pop some fireworks. I'ma send you guys somewhere to see the fireworks. What we popping. We are outside right now. Pretty dark. But looks pretty nice out here. So I will meet you guys at the other side. And yeah.
Get the gun.
Today.
Can I carry one, Dad?
No. Guys, so this is the fireworks that we're gonna be popping today. It's a lot of fireworks, I get it, but it's very, very good. So Kamali's scared.
Y'all look.
Kamali's scared of fireworks.
No, I'm not.
Well, you kind of scared, but yeah, she's like hating the music, like the sound of the fireworks. So yeah, we're about to get popping today.
Ain't nobody mad.
So let's get popping.
I'm excited.
Oh, you're supposed to be excited. One person is excited.
Watch out.
Wait. Oh yeah, look, y'all. It's done.
Yeah.
Okay. But that wasn't scary at all. That was very loud.
Can I light one?
Can I light?
Daddy, can I light one like I did earlier?
Oh, that was awesome. I can't wait to show them the next power. Baby.
Why is it Fortnite?
Oh, Fortnite.
Back up! Move!
Oh my God.
Sister, leave the camera alone.
Come here, Jake.
Oh, I'm not dealing with that piece.
Come on.
Oh my God. That was insane. Whoa. Okay.
Don't run.
Okay. Well, oi. I'm not getting on fire today. I just want to smoke. Oh my God.
Flip the camera.
Oh. Okay. Have you guys seen the kind of that?
Let her light it. Come on.
Just put it like facing. Ooh.
I'm trying to move the phone. Listen, I'm about to move the phone.
You could put that on YouTube. Jay, where's the vlog? Huh? Where's the vlog? Right here, I'm putting
Tristan,
yeah.
come
Put
on.
it back inside of it.
You won't. I got you.
Can I do that first?
Don't run. It's okay. Back up.
Oh!
That sounds like gunshots.
That sounds like gunshots.
No, that sounds like the That's not as loud as it is.
Not as loud as the other one. Okay, yep.
Hey, stop! Stop!
I'm kind of nervous. Yeah, I'm not nervous. Whew, stay calm all the time, guys. Stay calm. Oh! Oh! That's insane. That might be the favorite one I've seen.
You knew that was gonna happen.
It's still going.
Okay. No, that was perfect. Didn't cry at all. Ooh.
I already know that.
Okay, I'm not getting set on fire. Let's come on. I need to end the vlog.
Don't forget to eat a lighter.
What's such a baby?
Uncle Wick, Daddy said,
Oh, nah.
Yeah, you good, but you're not gonna breathe.
It touched me.
That is freaking loud.
Take this, and I'm going back in. Oh, hurry up.
Ow. Oh my God. Okay. That was pretty sick. No, I'm not getting that on fire today.
You want to keep vlog.
I'm not taking that. The vlog is right there.
What about the fireworks come over here? You might
got shit all in my hair.
want to put it right here. Move this.
Let's go!
I know that's right. He's talking about let's go.
Oh no! 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 I love it. Not today. Not today. No, think it today. Shut up!
Shut up.
Shut up! Shut up!
What you doing?
I'm not saying.
Let's go.
Them right there.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let me light one.
I want this.
Let me light one, Dad.
Jay. I said Jay, not baby Jay.
Oh my God! Oh. Okay. All right. All right. That was what do you say?
You hold my head up. I ain't
Dad,
put shit in my eye.
Can we light the Fortnite?
Look like this. Okay. Are we saving this for last? We saving this for second.
I'm saving the Fortnite and the neon for last.
Yep. And this one is gonna go soon. But okay.
It ain't no competition up here.
That's me, I say.
Hell yeah, because they spend like maybe 10,000 on that shit. Show.
Go, go, go! Move, move!
It goes far in. Ooh. Okay. That was insane.
Tristan, where's the floor?
Can I light one?
I want to light one.
Let me light one.
Where's the floor?
Oh, it's okay. Hi. Let me light one.
Okay.
Throw that light on my face.
Can we light
light it.
No.
No, me. No, me.
Can
I only lighted one.
American Power next? Well, this one.
Got the block.
Boy.
Boy. I'm not good. Hey. That hurts. Ouchie. How much you like this one? Can I like one? Three.
Let Tristan do it.
I'm
You can do
liking
it next one, Jay.
I'm liking it. Sister, you better
See the
one.
stem? Where is it? Wait till
Hey,
Tristan
Jay.
like do it.
Let me get them things from
Come on, Tristan. You got it?
You better back up, right?
You ready, Isaiah?
You better back up, sister. Back up, back up, back up! I'm lucky I didn't die. If I died, I wouldn't get to build the vlog. Stop saying that.
That was my
Is that
face.
your hair? Are you okay?
Yes, baby, I'm okay. Thank you for asking.
I think we do this one next.
We do Fortnite and then American Power last. I like Fortnite.
I think Fortnite.
I want to do that one.
Fortnite better. No, Roblox better than
I also think
Look at Daddy, can I like strip? Dad, can I? Who do this something?
Come on, Jay.
Hey, let me get them things from you, Jay. Let me get them things from you, Jay. Put that pocket.
Oh.
My sneakers at.
We're doing the American Power Line. That's what I'm saying.
That's the one I picked. Can I get one? No. Everybody want to leave when they see fireworks going on. And then be mad when they turn you here.
Oh my God. Be going down, so I don't know what to put the vlog at. We're gonna have to end it.
Bring it back to you.
Shiloh, come say hi to the vlog.
I already did.
Oh,
He came up to me.
huh?
He came up to me.
Okay. Move, then they're not gonna see it. Move. Tristan, move. They can't see it. Show me my arm. Yeah. Yeah, but there's nothing on there. I saw there's nothing on there.
Mommy said let her see the car so she can record these fireworks.
We already recording them.
Well, she want to record them.
Here. Wait, Mom said she needed it. End it.
Yeah, who phone you got?
Daddy.